On this 2019 Acura TLX, I'm also going to show you guys how to take off the outer door handle. If you've scuffed it, you want to paint it, chrome it, black it, whatever you choose to do with it. That's your choice. But I'm going to show you guys how to take it apart. Right here, boom. This got to come out. There's a 10 that's in there, guys. There's a 10 right here. It will fall, so if you can do it to where it doesn't fall, great. If it falls, you gotta take this plastic down here. It's probably sitting somewhere about right here. Okay. Once that comes off, super simple. Just pull this handle out, and this guy will. Look at that. It just fell out. But that's how easy it is. And then this has a button here, so there's gonna be wiring to it. So I gotta literally get behind here. And you guys make sure there's windows up when you guys do this, because you're gonna have to get behind here and peel this back. I ripped it a little bit. No big deal. There's gonna be, it's hard to see with what I got going on, but there's a, come on. I unplugged it. Once it's unplugged, literally just pull this way and out. And then the wire will come with. Very simple. That's how you do it, guys. There's not much more to it. Going back in, make sure you put these guys. Let me show you. Going back in, make sure that this goes in like that for this hole first, like that. Make sure that your this plastic thing goes afterwards, like that. And then this thing, you kind of just gonna have to. It has like a little pin rod that slides around. So you see what I'm doing right there, and then like that. So yeah, and then if you wanted to pull that out a little bit, slide this in like that, okay, and then take your number 10, put it back in there, and then you can always put back in it. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Follow us. We're gonna go ahead and put that car back together now.